Greetings from Delhi Public School, Nagpur. Delhi Public School Kamptee Road, Nagpur demonstrated its commitment to promoting sports by organizing the first ever Pro-Vice Chairperson Inter-School Swimming Competition Poolompics 1.0 on 25th of March 2023 in its state-of-art natatorium. Boasting an indoor swimming pool that matches all benchmarks, the school provided a perfect setting for the event. Ms. Tulika Kedia, President and Pro-Vice Chairperson, Delhi Public School Kamptee Road and MIHAN Nagpur, was the source of inspiration behind this event. The esteemed chief guest for the event, Dr. Sambhaji Bhonsale, an accomplished individual in the field of sports and education, who currently serves as the Director of Sports at Shri Mathuradas, Mohota College of Science, Joint Secretary of Swimming Association of Maharashtra, Secretary of Nagpur District Swimming Association, and Chairman of Swimming Selection Committee at Nagpur University, brought a wealth of experience to the occasion. The event was also graced by Shri Indrajeet Parganiha, Bursar, Delhi Public School Kamptee Road, Nagpur, Shri Amol Raipurkar, NIS swimming coach, and Ms. Ritu Sharma, Principal DPS Kamptee Road, Nagpur. In total, 115 swimmers participated in 42 events, with 48 schools from Nagpur and other cities competing in under 10, under 12, and under 14 boys and girls categories in the 50 and 100 meter freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, and butterfly events. The event was an excellent opportunity for young swimmers to showcase their skills and sportsmanship. The competition was fair and the swimmers pushed themselves to their limits, determined to emerge victorious. The atmosphere was electric with cheers and applauses from the audience as the swimmers raced towards the finish line. The judges, comprising of experienced swimming coaches, were impressed with the quality of swimming on display. The swimmers demonstrated excellent techniques, speed, and endurance, making the judges' job of selecting winners a challenging one. The event concluded with a prize distribution ceremony where the winners received medals and certificates for their outstanding performances. The participants also received participation certificates as a token of appreciation for efforts and commitment. The event was a resounding success, and the participants and spectators alike enjoyed an exhilarating day of competition in an exemplary facility.